Alright, today we have the replacement AC jack for the Sega Saturn. As you may know, the Sega Saturn AC jack will crack after all these years of it being in consoles. So I've got one replacement already here. I already pinned up, so I'm going to actually take it out to show you how to remove the pins from it to install in the other one. So if you look at these pins, they have a little clip on the top of them. So that clip is there to retain it in the connector. So in order to get it out, you have to depress that clip, which I just use a pair of sharp pointed tweezers to get in there. Depress the clip just ever so slightly, and then press it out of the connector. This is the same on a traditional, on an original connector as it is on this replacement one. And once you have it removed, you have now depressed that clip. You need to pop it back out so that it will engage into the new connector. So you just want to get it up just a hair so that when it pops through into the new connector, it will engage, and then pushing a connector or a cable in doesn't pop it out of the connector. So then once you've done that, you take your new connector, and you'll notice that these are keyed. They only go in one side. So you slide it into the new connector, press it all the way in until it engages, and once it's engaged, it won't come out. And you do it for both sides, just like so. Now you have a properly seated connector. Then you can install it onto the board just like you would an original one. And it sits in just like so, soldered in place. Makes for an easy replacement, and now the sides aren't cracked off, and you can actually attach it into the console properly.